Hello friends, welcome to Perfection IAS Mains Model Answer discussion. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss geography question of UPSC 2022 Mains exam. So today's question is, discuss the meaning of color code weather early warning for cyclone prone areas given by Indian Meteorological Department. So this is the question for today. This is 10 marker, so you have to write for around 150 words. This question is related to IMD, so Indian Meteorological Department's color code early warning system. Okay, so for this question you have to write introduction. In introduction you can write the aim of IMD's color code early warning system. You can write a brief about the aim, what is the main aim or purpose of this color coding. In body part, this question contains only one body, so you have to write only about color coding. There are four color coding classification for cyclone early warning system, so you have to mention each color coding and what that particular color coding specify. And in last, conclusion. In conclusion, you have to write about the significance of this color code R&D warning system. So first we will see the introduction. In introduction, you have to write Indian Meteorological Department uses a color code early warning system for, so the purpose is to inform the public about the potential severity. Okay, so the main purpose of color code early warning system is to inform public about the potential severity of particular cyclone. Some cyclone may be very intense, but many cyclone not be very intense. It won't blow with high speed. So the main purpose is to inform the public or to create awareness about the public about potential severity of particular cyclone. So this is the main aim of this color code early warning system. IMD uses 4 different colors, each represent different level of riskness. Okay, so this is the introduction. You have to write about the purpose and the different color code. So after writing introduction, we will move on to the body part. So this question contain only one body. So first you have to write about the IMD color codes. So the first color is a green color, and sometimes IMD will give green color signal. This indicate there is no warning. Green green means no warning. This color code indicate that there is a low risk or very low or no probability of occurrence of cyclone. So green means it's safe. The zone is very safe and there is very less or no probability of occurring cyclone. So this is the green early warning. This is the minimum probability. And then next highest level is yellow color. So yellow means to be aware. Yellow color code significant that there is a moderate risk. There is a probability, but the probability is a moderate. Okay, even though if cyclone causes, it won't create much risk, or cyclone won't occur immediately. It may occur after 48 hours or after 3 to 4 days. So this is moderate risk of cyclone occurring area. The public is advised, if this yellow signal is given, publics are advised to prepare and to take necessary precautions such as ensuring that emergency kit are ready. Okay, so this once this yellow color code is given, means public are advised to take some basic precautionary measure. So this is the yellow. The next is orange. So orange means be prepared. Orange is one step further to yellow. Okay, so this will be given during the time of high risk, or 24 hours to 48 hours before the occurrence of cyclone. Okay, the public are advised to take immediate action. So why? Because cyclone is going to occur in 24 or to 24 to 48 hours, and the intensity of cyclone is very severe when the orange color is alert is given. Okay, so the IMD asks public to take necessary measures such as securing their homes, business, and preparing to evacuate if necessary. So this is the orange code. Next is a red color warning. So red color warning means immediate actions are necessary. So this is the highest alert in India, highest level. Okay, so that once this a red color warning is given, means cyclone is going to occur within 7 to 12 hours. So government need to take some immediate measures to control the cyclone, and public should take immediate action to protect themselves as well as their property. This may include evacuating the area and seeking shelter in designated safer zone. Okay, so these are the 4 color code early warning system which IMD is using. Okay, so now you may. So IMDb uses some probability and a statistical method to calculate the intensity of the cyclone. So after calculating and identifying the vulnerable zone and other tools, they will give the early warning. Okay, so this is the body part. Then conclusion. So IMD color coded early warning system alter the public to cyclone, not only to cyclone, as well as they have different early warning system for flood, rainfall, snowstorm, and other natural disaster. So this approach help the people comprehend danger and protect themselves and their possession. So it is very useful to eliminate or reduce the loss of life and property occurring due to the occurrence of cyclone. So that's all for this question. We will meet in next mains model answer discussion. Thanks for watching Perfection IAS.